Brothers and sisters, we are all suffering from psycho-spiritual battle fatigue. We have become a society of angry, hateful people, which means that the adversary is one up on us so far. Who's a driver here? Let me ask you a question. I want to show you the temper of the time. You're driving along. Somebody comes up, nice looking car, cuts you right off. What's the mind? Motherfucker.
Right.
I defy anybody to be driving in New York City and not be stressed out at the wheel. Angry at the next person, vying for the little space that we have left. It's like we become a nation of hateful, angry, spiteful, selfish, self-important brats. And the saddest thing about it all is the ones that we are most angry, spiteful, and hateful at is ourselves. All of us are unknown victims of mental molestation. Let me say that again. All of us are victims of mental molestation. It's as if all of the oxygen around us is drying up with only a few pockets of air floating by, and we're all stepping on each other's faces just to catch our next breath. Crabs in a barrel. What has happened to reason? Where's the logic in all of this? Well, maybe to answer this, we need to first canvass the crime scene for clues. So much is happening so fast, and it seems that most of it is bad. The parasitic elite have stolen humanity's cosmic vision and our power to dream of a sane, safe, and fruitful tomorrow. They've substituted nightmares, poltergeists, and blood-sucking demons dressed as politicians, priests, doctors, and CEOs who drain the creative energies through the frequencies of fear. For example, the society teaches us that there are two things driving our present concept of civilization: killing and money. These two principles are the alpha and omega, the electric and the magnetic, the yin and the yang of our present world paradigm. These two principles are the pathological parents that have given birth to the greed, avarice, hatred, jealousy, covetousness, and helplessness suffered by humanity today. We are all trapped in a demonic dance of death and dollars. The online writer, a man named Kaminsky, rightly states that no matter what, we cannot have peace in our time because we all need to make money. It is the need to make money that drives the demon of violence. And the legalized ritual of state-sanctioned murder is the most profitable enterprise we know today. Thus, it is money, the so-called root of all evil, that becomes the necessity that keeps us alive, but inhuman.
I'm not a bad man, but in certain situations, I have to ask myself, what would a bad man do?